1. 1961 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab. Price: $12,000. Located Dover, New Jersey. This 1961 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab is a rare and character-filled classic pickup that stands out for its unique Corvair rampside configuration and preserved originality. Finished in red with original paint that has been professionally cleared to protect its natural patina, this truck offers an authentic vintage appearance that cannot be replicated. With approximately 14,092 miles shown, it represents a well-cared-for example that has been maintained rather than over-restored, making it especially appealing to collectors who value originality. Mechanically, this Chevrolet has received important updates to ensure reliability and usability. The cylinder heads were recently completed, and the bottom end, clutch, and flywheel were previously done, providing confidence in its drivetrain. It is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission that delivers a true classic driving experience. An electric fuel pump and alternator conversion have been added to improve dependability while still respecting the truck's vintage nature. The frame has been redone and reinforced, adding strength and longevity to the overall structure. This truck runs and drives very well and is described as needing nothing, making it suitable for immediate enjoyment. Whether used for weekend cruising, local shows, or as a standout piece in a classic vehicle collection, it delivers a combination of rarity and practicality. The rampside style alone makes it a conversation piece wherever it goes. Overall, this 1961 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab is an honest, well-sorted classic pickup that blends originality, mechanical freshness, and unmistakable vintage charm. It is an excellent opportunity to own a rare American classic that is increasingly hard to find in this condition. 2. 1966 Chevrolet C10. Price: $12,000. Located Poughkeepsie, New York. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 is a solid and thoughtfully updated classic pickup that blends vintage style with practical mechanical upgrades. Finished in orange with a matching orange interior, this truck presents a bold and eye-catching appearance that reflects the muscle-era attitude of mid-60s Chevrolet trucks. With approximately 555 miles shown since recent work, it has been set up as a dependable driver rather than a show-only vehicle. Under the hood sits a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine with a mild cam, paired to a 350 automatic transmission. This combination offers strong street manners, easy cruising, and reliable performance. The truck features a Ford 9-inch rear end, adding durability and confidence for daily use or weekend cruising. An upgraded front suspension, using a 1981 Camaro front end with coil-over shocks, improves handling and ride quality, while disc brakes provide modern stopping power. Numerous new components have been installed, including ignition parts, battery, alternator, brake lines, shocks, struts, springs, body mounts, radiator, fuel tank, carburetor, and gauges. The interior benefits from Tahoe seats, offering improved comfort compared to original seating. While it does not have air conditioning or heat, the truck is described as turnkey and ready to drive. This C10 is an honest, driver-quality classic that does not pretend to be a high-dollar show truck. It is ideal for someone looking for a reliable vintage pickup with tasteful upgrades, strong mechanicals, and a straightforward ownership experience without unnecessary complications. 3. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10. Price: $10,000. Located Oak Ridge, New Jersey. This 1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10 is a clean and well-sorted classic square-body pickup that offers strong mechanical condition and everyday usability. Finished in an attractive exterior with a traditional pickup stance, this truck stands out as a solid example that has benefited from careful maintenance and recent upgrades. With approximately 94,000 miles showing on the dash, it reflects reasonable use for its age. Power comes from a 350 small-block Chevrolet engine equipped with Edelbrock components, including a 750 CFM carburetor, intake manifold, and valve covers. The engine runs strong and is paired with an automatic transmission that makes this truck easy and comfortable to drive. Dual fuel tanks are present, and both are fully functional, adding convenience for longer trips. The truck runs and drives very well and is described as fast and responsive. Recent work includes new brakes and brake lines, a new radiator, new tires, and a new driver's side fuel tank. These updates remove many common concerns associated with older trucks and make this Silverado a dependable choice. The body is reported to be very clean, having come up from Florida, which helps explain its solid condition. This truck is well suited for cruising, light hauling, or simply enjoying classic square body style without the burden of a major project. It represents an excellent opportunity to own a classic Chevrolet pickup that is already sorted and ready to be enjoyed immediately. 4. 1967 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Long Bed. Price: $8,800. Located Naugatuck, Connecticut. This 1967 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Long Bed is a straightforward classic pickup that offers solid bones and strong potential for continued use or light restoration. Finished in green with a charcoal interior, it retains a traditional work truck appearance that reflects its original purpose. With a long bed configuration, it remains practical while still delivering vintage character. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs, drives, and stops well according to the seller. A new motor has been installed, along with many new parts, giving the vehicle improved reliability compared to an untouched original drivetrain. These updates make it a usable classic rather than a non-running project, which is an important advantage for buyers who want immediate functionality. The body is described as being in very good condition, which is often the most difficult aspect to find in trucks of this era. While it does need some minor work to be fully sorted, it is not represented as a major restoration candidate. Instead, it suits someone who wants a classic pickup they can improve gradually while enjoying it along the way. With only 2 owners reported and a paid-off status, this 1967 Chevrolet 1500 offers simplicity and honest value. It is an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for an affordable entry into classic American trucks with usable condition and room for personal touches. 5. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Pickup 4D6.5 FT. Price: $9,000. Located in Neversink, New York. This 1984 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Pickup is a classic American truck that represents durability, simplicity, and timeless square body styling. With a reported 1,111 miles shown and a history of 2 owners, this pickup has been well cared for and remains fully roadworthy. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck delivers an authentic vintage look that reflects the era when Chevrolet pickups were built for both work and everyday driving. Power is delivered through a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a direct and engaging driving experience that many classic truck enthusiasts appreciate. The seller confirms that the truck runs and drives and is still actively on the road. Significant mechanical updates have been completed, adding to its reliability and usability. These updates include a new carburetor, new gas tank, new fuel lines, new brake lines, a rebuilt or replaced transmission and transfer case, and a brand new rear drive shaft. A new distributor has also been installed, ensuring consistent ignition performance. In addition to its mechanical soundness, this Silverado features Dixie air horns, adding a distinctive and classic truck personality. The truck is fully paid off and comes with a clean title, providing confidence and ease of transfer for the next owner. The seller is open to considering trades, particularly for a camper, which may appeal to buyers looking for flexible deal options. Overall, this 1984 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom is a solid classic pickup with many recent mechanical improvements. It is well suited as a reliable vintage daily driver, a light-duty work truck, or a collectible square-body Chevy that can be enjoyed immediately. 6. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10. Price: $5,000. Located in Columbus, New Jersey. This 1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10 is a classic square-body pickup that offers solid mechanical upgrades, classic styling, and strong potential as a reliable driver or project truck. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this C10 maintains a clean and period-correct appearance that continues to make these mid-1980s Chevrolet trucks highly desirable among enthusiasts. The body shows approximately 178,000 miles, while the drivetrain tells a different story thanks to recent mechanical investment. Power comes from a newly built 350 cubic inch V8 engine with roughly 60,000 miles since installation. The engine has been upgraded with new Edelbrock components, including the intake manifold, carburetor, and air filter, providing improved performance and throttle response. Supporting components such as a new battery and alternator have also been installed, contributing to dependable operation. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, making this truck easy and comfortable to drive. Additional upgrades include a custom split exhaust system with classic cherry bomb mufflers, delivering an unmistakable vintage V8 sound. Inside the cabin, new gauges have been installed, improving readability and functionality. Custom ram intake and radiator mounts further reflect the thoughtful approach taken during the engine swap. There are a few items to note for prospective buyers. The truck does not currently have air conditioning, the radiator will need replacement, and the title is branded due to the engine swap and mileage discrepancy with the speedometer. Despite these factors, the truck runs and presents as a strong value in the classic truck market. Overall, this 1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10 is an affordable entry into square-body ownership, offering a powerful V8, desirable upgrades, and plenty of character for cruising, light work, or continued customization. 7. 1961 Chevrolet C20 Pickup. Price: $8,500. Located in Tuckahoe, New York. This 1961 Chevrolet C20 pickup is a unique classic truck that combines early 1960s Chevrolet styling with later model drivetrain upgrades. With approximately 10,000 miles shown and an automatic transmission, this truck has been thoughtfully modified to improve drivability while retaining its vintage character. The exterior is finished in yellow, paired with a gray interior, giving it a bold yet classic appearance that stands out among traditional restored pickups. One of the most notable features of this truck is its four-wheel drive conversion. The drivetrain, including the engine, transmission, and axles, was sourced from a 1988 Chevrolet Blazer, providing improved capability and more modern mechanical reliability. Numerous new parts have been installed during the build, reflecting ongoing investment into making the truck functional and enjoyable. A new steel bed has also been installed, adding strength and practicality, especially for buyers who want a usable classic truck rather than a show-only vehicle. The hood currently fitted comes from a 1964 Chevrolet pickup, which the seller states was already installed at the time of purchase. This adds to the truck's custom character and highlights its blend of parts from different Chevrolet eras. The body is described as being in good shape overall, with only minor rust present, which is typical for a truck of this age. The truck runs and drives, but does require finishing touches to reach its full potential. Overall, this 1961 Chevrolet C20 is an excellent project driver candidate, offering classic looks, four-wheel drive capability, and a solid foundation for further restoration or customization. 8. 1966 Ford F100. Price: $15,000. Located in Staten Island, New York. This 1966 Ford F100 is a clean and straightforward example of Ford's iconic mid-1960s pickup design. With approximately 85,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a classic color combination, this truck offers vintage appeal with simple, proven mechanical components. Finished in white with a red interior, it delivers a timeless look that suits both collectors and casual classic truck enthusiasts. Power comes from a 352 cubic inch V8 engine, a well-known and reliable Ford power plant that provides strong low-end torque and smooth cruising capability. Paired with an automatic transmission, this setup makes the truck easy and comfortable to drive, whether used for weekend cruising, light hauling, or classic truck events. The mechanical layout remains traditional, appealing to buyers who value originality and simplicity. The interior presents in red, complementing the exterior nicely and reinforcing the truck's vintage personality. While detailed interior features are not extensively listed, the overall condition suggests a usable and presentable cabin suitable for regular driving. With more than 3 owners, the truck has clearly been enjoyed and preserved over the years rather than left idle. This 1966 Ford F100 represents a solid opportunity to own a classic pickup without the complexity of heavy modifications or unfinished restoration work. It can be enjoyed as is or lightly updated according to personal taste. Overall, it stands as a dependable and visually appealing classic Ford truck with strong heritage and enduring value. 9. 1970 Ford F-100 Sport Custom. Price: $12,000. Located in Macungie, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Ford F-100 Sport Custom is a classic pickup that blends original character with serious performance upgrades. Showing approximately 40,500 miles on the body, this truck is powered by a freshly rebuilt 460 cubic inch engine swap, offering significant power well beyond factory specifications. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, making it suitable for both cruising and practical use. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck maintains a cohesive and period-correct appearance. The body is described as being largely free of major rust, with the primary rust concerns limited to the floor areas, which will eventually need attention. Structurally, the exterior panels are in solid condition, making this an excellent candidate for finishing rather than a full rebuild. Mechanically, the truck is close to road-ready but still requires a few remaining tasks. Power steering lines need to be installed, and the headers need to be reinstalled. The seller notes that the necessary gaskets and ARP header bolt kit are included. Once these details are completed, the truck has the potential to be both powerful and dependable. The vehicle is paid off and comes with a clean Pennsylvania title. The seller is open to cash or trade offers, particularly involving square-body Chevrolet or GMC trucks. Overall, this 1970 Ford F-100 Sport Custom offers a strong foundation, big block power, and excellent value for a buyer willing to complete the final details. 10. 1969 Ford F-100 Short Bed. Price: $3,000. Located in Manorville, New York. This 1969 Ford F-100 Short Bed is a classic truck project offered at an affordable entry point for restoration enthusiasts. Equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, this truck represents traditional Ford truck engineering from the late 1960s. The exterior is finished in blue, and while interior details are limited, the truck's short bed configuration adds to its desirability. The vehicle currently does not run or drive and is being sold as a restoration project. It has been parked due to lack of time, and the seller is making space by offering it for sale. With 123,456 miles shown, this truck is best suited for a buyer who enjoys hands-on restoration work or wants a solid platform for a custom build. Despite its non-running condition, the presence of the 390 V8 and manual transmission provides a strong starting point. These components are increasingly sought after by classic Ford enthusiasts, whether for restoration or performance builds. The short bed body style further enhances its appeal, as it offers classic proportions and versatility. Overall, this 1969 Ford F-100 is a budget-friendly project truck with strong potential. It is ideal for buyers looking to restore a classic pickup from the ground up or build a personalized vintage Ford with character and history.